and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. We got one today from Zenpop. You can go to zenpop.jp and use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for a discount. Yeah, this is from Acecook. It's at Nagaoka. It also says Niigata. It's a Shoyu, and it's got bits of chicken with it, I guess. And, yeah. Let's do this. Here's what the lid looks like. And it comes with a liquid sachet to add at the end. So we're going to throw the water in it. A little bit of... Where's that fill line? There it is. There. And that's going to go for 3 minutes. And we're going to put this lid on top, and we're going to put this sachet on top to warm it. So yeah. And I figured something out, which really wasn't rocket science or anything. But, so I go to the store all the time and I get one of those 1 liter things like Diet Coke or something, right? I don't have a Diet Coke valet. I'm glad I don't. That's a little too pretentious for me. But anyways, I'm my own Diet Coke valet. So when I got a Diet Coke, and they're like $2.59 for one of them. They're like a liter, right? I was thinking about it when I was walking. I was like, God, that seems expensive when you can get like a 12-pack of soda for on sale, like sometimes they have a sale like buy 2 get 3 free. So you got like 5 of them for the price of 2. But then I was thinking, well, what about 2 liters? What about 2 liters? They had a deal right now where it's $2.49 for a 2 liter if you buy 2 of them. So I bought 2 of them, and basically I have a bunch of like fizzy water. I know, it's sad, isn't it? First world wins. Yeah. I mean, it's like you could just drink water. I could, but I prefer drinking beverage. And I would never get like a 12-pack of this stuff. Zero sugar cherry Pepsi. But like, I will enjoy this, not all at once, but I'll enjoy this thing, and then I'll be totally burnt out on it. I'm good. I don't need more fake cherry Pepsi. But yeah. Got to find the deals. Got to be a smart shopper, especially right now. Good God. Everything's so freaking expensive. And everybody likes to point, oh, Biden should do something about that. What's he gonna do, man? You know what the biggest markup is right now? These things, ramen. You know why? Because Russia and Ukraine supply so much of the world's wheat products. So we're really lucky here because we have, fields of golden grain and all that stuff. So you can, and like Thanksgiving, I think you could get a 5-pound bag of flour for like $2.50. That's pretty good. I don't think it's that good in a lot of places right now. It's definitely not working that well for the noodle companies, that's for sure. That's like the number one thing on their mind is the price of the base product that they need to make their products. And it's crummy. And it all stems from the war that they got going on over there. I don't think that is going to be done for a while, sadly. And I think the way it concludes isn't going to be good. I really don't know. I hope it is. I have nothing against people in Russia. I'm I'm not really a big fan of the government, but I think there's a lot of people in Russia who aren't a fan of the government too. But yeah, who wants to get drafted to fight a war they don't believe in? They didn't have to really do that so much in the... I don't think there were a lot of people that really weren't up for it in World War II. I could be totally wrong. I think those that were just went to Canada. I'm getting a very nice hit of ginger in this. Here, come and look. Come on. Here's our broth. This is good. Well, I don't know. I just tried the noodle, but... Now that I just tried the straight broth, I'm getting a little more saltiness than I like, but it's definitely not so much that it makes it go into the dumper. I've had varieties before made according to manufacturers' demands that have been so salty they're inedible. Very rarely does that happen. Very rarely. But sometimes, and generally those seem to be like, I want to say they're Japanese varieties for the most part. But this is a nice one. This is tasty, just a little on the salty side for me. Come on. It's like I need a brush. Really nice comb over on this is what I want. Okay, so we got chashu. That's kind of big. Torch it up. And no, somebody asked, and so I'll just give them an answer. No, I don't have a kitchen torch for doing anything other really than torching chashu. I tried it with chicken, but I do not use a kitchen torch for preparing and using illicit drugs. No, that would not be my thing. Unless you want to call chashu an illicit drug, and honestly, God. Those eggs look like those are lovely eggs. But I'm out of eggs now, and that's good because this is like the last day I even dare bother and try to use them. But look at that, they did well, and now I've got to get some, I need more soy sauce. Did I already say that? I think I did. Maybe it was in the episode you saw yesterday, which was maybe like 20, 25 minutes ago for me. Maybe. No, it wasn't even. Maybe. I don't know. I also need some Naruto. I'm out of Naruto, and I really like using that stuff. Naruto Maki, just like the fish cake. If you ever seen the anime Naruto, you'd understand by that little headband dot little swirly he's got. That's the same as on Naruto Maki. But you already knew that, I hope. Oh, this is not shichimi. Where's my shichimi? Why is this? There. Jesus Christ. little shichimi. Why not? I've got this little thing of nori. It's a love-hate relationship. Is that the last piece? It might be. Why don't you go pony up right down there? Now stay put. That looks nice. I like it like that. Come on. Don't just like, oh, you're already doing it. And I don't know what to do. If you are a ramen chef and you know how to make it so your nori doesn't go wherever it damn well feels like, let me know. But yeah, see? Wants to move. God. Hey, all right, so that's it for today. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a, I don't know if I said, I'm going to be doing a mukbang. And, this is from Malaysia. This is Daibak Habanero Kimchi Jjigae flavor from, it's developed in South Korea for Malaysia. And this is going to be a soupy one, so I'll be doing that. And you'll see it soon. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It helps me out. I'll catch you on the flip. Bye-bye.